Hi everyone, thanks for joining me on my quest to document one road at a time. Today we're riding Lake Vista Drive. Lake Vista Drive is 1.7 miles long and has about 12 curves. The elevation profile shows it to be mostly flat except for the beginning and the end. We're going to start on the west end where it hits Mulholland, and we'll end on the east end where it hits Mulholland again. Our starting point is pretty easy to miss. What's down here is a man-made lake. The dam creating it was built in 1922, and in 1931 it was used as the set of Frankenstein. Now there are a bunch of homes all around the lake, among a handful of dead-end roads and cul-de-sacs, with the exception of Lake Vista Drive, which is the only road that passes into the community and out. Every square inch of land around here is labeled as private property. There are no sidewalks, and even if there were, there's no place to park. So if you want to look at something, this is pretty much your only option. Alright, let's get headed down this road. Alright, here we are back at Mulholland Highway. To the left is the rock store, to the right is the playground, and straight ahead is Cornell. Lake Vista Drive scores a 3 out of 5. It's a little too short, and it's not very curvy, and the surface quality isn't great. But it does have some nice views, it's pretty light on traffic, and it hits Mulholland on both sides. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this so I can keep making more.